No, I can't be the only person oyibonayo lento. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, ngizonyamalala mina. Asiqale. Let's follow the pattern. Konke ngifuna uyibone. Ngo-1950 we had the Korean War. 2.5 to 3 million people were unalived. Ngo-1960 we had decolonization conflict and the Vietnam War. It was a huge conflict nakhona and a lot of people were unalived. Ngo-1970 we had the rise of Ebola and 300 to 500 people were unalived. Ngo-1980 we had the Iran War and about 500 to 1 million people were unalived. Ngo-1990 we had the Iran invades Kuwait. We also had the Gulf War era. We also had the apartheid coming to an end in South Africa. Hundreds, millions of people were unalived. Ngoloya nyaka. Understand ukuthi ngo-2000 was the rise of H no V. In nakhona lots of people were unalived. Ngo-2010, we had the Haiti earthquake and the cholera outbreak, which led to more than 200,000 and 1 million people getting unalived. And then go-2020, we had the COVID, and also led to more than 1 million plus people getting unalived. ISITA has been secretly building underground bunkers, preparing for 2030. Understand, bona. They already know the sequence. They already know the cycle. But I understand every decade, every 10 years, kona something yenzekalayo. So they build shelter to hide while the world falls apart, whilst everything breaks. Bona baqashile ba safe, and then babuye when everything is okay.
Hidden beneath the house is a reinforced bunker with independent ventilation and power, plus large reserves of food and water. Outdoor cameras provide constant monitoring. Inside, there's a shower, toilet, water storage, and even a private cinema with Netflix and a gaming console.
Understand. Ihlakanipha mntu omnyama. In order to see the truth, you have to follow the money. Understand ukuthi Altus Survival Shelter, which is a company located in United States, they have been flooded with imali engang 1.8 to 36 million, which is huge for bona. And leyo mali iya towards abantu wanting to buy underground bunkers, wanting to build underground bunkers abazoqasha kuona. Understand ukuthi other companies like Rising S company in United States, they have also been buying and building underground bunkers. They have been flooded with imali engango 2.7 to 90 million. We also have one of the biggest companies in America, which is eVivos, which is located in the United States, and they also have a branch in Europe. Bona abantu are buying seats kuma underground bunkers abo. eVivos already owns bunkers all around the world. Now umuntu just needs to purchase ihlalo or the right to occupy leso space. Understand? You don't get it. Something is going to happen go 2030. It always does. It's part of the cycle. It's part of the system. It's the only way that billionaires and millionaires are created. It's the only way that generational wealth is created. Someone has to be unalived. Examples of underground bunkers that already exist and are selling ihlalo for you to occupy this space. We have Kansas Survival Condo. We have eVivos X Point. We have Green Bearer Bunker. We have Odibomba Luxury Bunker. We have Swiss Civil Defense Shelter. All of this you are able to buy your way in. Kona na uzoba safe on whatever is coming ngo 2030.
It's the extended mudroom. Let's see what this is. There's a door. We have everything right here. It's really nice, safe. We got this. Lights for in here, lights for out there. The air system with an escape tunnel. 8x12 safe cellar.